Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the fastest way to check the IMEI numbers. So let's enter the secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them, then go to the very top of the list and tap on My Phone. Here we have to scroll and tap on phone information. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course, we have to tap on it to show the information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.